got the washer spinner, little spinner. But the water hose is too small. I mean, this is what goes here, and the other side is this one. So I don't know if there's an adapter for it, but other than that, it will have to be like you have to get a bucket and start putting water in the washer. So consider that if you want to go through that hassle or not purchase it.
Hey guys, I got the washer going, set up. It is really nice. And here is the clothes. They are washing really, really well. That is what I want to show y'all. Hey, I'm in business.
Got my washer in. Pretty good. So far, so good.